Hello everyone, Safe Analyst here, bringing you guys a great video for the week. In today's video, we will be addressing Bitcoin's price action, kind of the bull versus the bear, and kind of where price action really is settling, and just kind of some overall market sentiment for cryptocurrency right now and Bitcoin as a whole. In today's video, I'm kind of going to be stressing three things that that are really driving my decision making and my opinions on everything I'm about to be addressing. But first things first, I just want to mention this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But first, let's take a look at the charts here. So here we can see on April 11th, we went from green to red candles. And ever since then, we've been staying kind of flat around $40,000 per Bitcoin. Number two, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. Right now we're sitting at, as of April 16th, 28 fear. Yesterday was 22 extreme fear. So, pretty fearful state from the market participants. And then number three thing I'm looking at for this video is short-term holders realized price and kind of the cost basis behind it. Now, for many of you who don't know, short-term holders are anyone holding Bitcoin from 1 to 155 days, so a very short time span. And just by following the cost basis from these market participants, it really tells a lot from the market, whether it's a bullish sentiment or a bearish sentiment. But let's take a look at the charts. Right, this video is addressing the bear versus bull, so I'm going to talk about some possibilities that I could see happening right now in the market. So first, let's talk about some bearish situations. Let's take a look at the screen here. Right here, we did go from green to red candles, right? So I would be cautious in most situations. But if we take a look here, guys, let's take a perfect example from February, late February. We did see the same thing kind of happen, and then in the end, some bullish divergence did occur, and we did get right out of there. But nothing has occurred yet, and we're still kind of climbing in here. We're still very flat. If you take a look in this uptrend channel that we have, we are consistently getting higher lows and higher highs. So bearish sentiment, right? Let's say right here we break 40,000, even break the uptrend. I would see it playing out. We break it, and then we come somewhere around 37,000 and kind of find some more support. One possibility. Another possibility, we break 40,000, break the uptrend, break 37,000, and maybe even hit 33,000 again, maybe even 30,000. Another bearish situation that may occur, we could see a bounce up, anywhere, have a rejection around 42.5, then 44.5. and then break, and then continue to break down and break below this uptrend line. Now, some bullish situations, and I'm pretty optimistic right now as far as the market sentiment. Bullish, I could see this because, guys, remember, look here. We're consistently having higher lows, and we do have a confirmed reversal on the daily. But a bullish, for example, what could happen? We could get a little bounce here, get rejected, consolidate, find another leg up, right? Another one. We could just smash through all these resistances, guys. 42,000, 44,500, even this 48,000. But guys, I want you guys to remember, this is why I wanted to bring up the short-term holders realized price. We're sitting at 47,000 price for their realized price. If we can break 47 and really find support there, that is a very bullish thing for us. So let's say we do get this bounce. I would be looking for 47,000 to really find support there. But bullish sentiment, right? So I'm saying it has to break 47,000, find support, and then followed by 52,000 per se. Now, earlier I was mentioning Fear and Greed Index, right? So let's take a look at that. We're very fearful in the market, guys. Last month we were at about the same, and if we go back to even last month, a month ago. We were just at in these levels right here around 39,000 and super fearful. But then look what happened right after that. I mean, we had a huge pump out of Bitcoin. Guys, it's a crazy thing about crypto. Every time, and I wouldn't say every time, but a lot of the time, guys, when we're really fearful in the crypto market is actually the time to be investing and be putting money in, because oftentimes we see the market just explode or even have a big move afterwards. Now, mind you, it is fearful market. Anything could happen, right? I mean, we could completely break down and even find new levels of fear. But I'm in a situation where I'm very optimistic, and every time I see these very fearful times in the market, I'm jumping at the opportunity to buy and be in. So obviously obviously things can change. Obviously the market could just explode on us, and we could see a price breakdown. But I'm optimistic and I'm looking forward for the future, guys. I mean, I'm optimistic for the future. But that is my analysis. That's what I gotta say for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Um, I'll be releasing a video shortly this week. But in the meantime, stay safe, guys.